Well, the purpose is to reach the community where they are.
Hey, how you doing?
And on Friday night, the place to be for many is here.
Have you guys gotten your vaccine yet?
Dallas County Health and Human Services went person to person, business to business,
Have y'all gotten your COVID-19 vaccine yet?
asking the golden
Well,
question.
they're doing it right here at Uplift Academy.
Any no's followed with a solution just feet away.
President, we're here at the school here till 9 o'clock. Free vaccines.
Chris Green's no wasn't because of hesitancy.
A lack of availability. I didn't want to wait in long lines.
But as of 2 days ago, he works right across the street from this site.
My manager at Deep Sushi told us that, we could do it while we're on the clock.
So he did.
I feel better about talking to older people, and I don't have the fear that I'm going to accidentally give them something that can make them really sick.
All ages are welcome, and people of all ages came by for their shot. But young adults are the target.
They think that it's not going to happen to them, but the cases that we have seen over the period of time it shows that 20-year-olds get it, 30-year-olds get it, 40-year-old get it.
This age group is dragging behind others in vaccine numbers. But in Dallas County, 18 to 40-year-olds make up for more confirmed and probable cases than any other group. So far this month, 23 to 39-year-olds make up 38%, more than a third of the county's confirmed cases.
It's just right there, and no appointment necessary.
The county started this pop-up site last weekend, giving the Johnson & Johnson shot. They gave more than 100. This weekend, Pfizer, and they're hoping to do more. Call it a shot for a shot, or just their best shot at protecting more people. So this site's gonna be back out here on Saturday from 11 a.m. until 9 p.m. and then they'll be back 3 weeks from now to give out those second doses. In Dallas, I'm Morgan Young.